Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you all. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making fish, or you can say fish curry. So for that you're going to need 300 gram of fish, and this is how you're going to marinate the fish. First, I've cut this fish in cubes. Let me show you. This size of cubes, like big and small, depending upon the thickness of fish. Next, I have 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt or up to taste. And last, I have 1.5 tablespoon of lemon juice. 1 tablespoon, a little more than that maybe. Now I'm going to marinate the fish and let it rest for about a minimum of 2 hours. You'll need a tomato puree of 2 medium to large sized tomatoes with 2 green chilies, and this is 2 to 3 medium sized onion pureed, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of red chili powder, salt up to taste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add half a cup of oil in a hot pan. This is kadai. Now I'm going to add the onion and I'm going to cook them till the water dries, and after the water is dried I'm going to show you how it looks like. At this stage all the water has dried. I'm just going to stir it a little, and then I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste. I'm going to let it cook for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add the tomato puree. After adding the tomato puree, I'm going to add the masala, salt, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. And then after mixing this, I'm going to add the coriander powder. I'm going to save the garam masala for the end. I'm just going to sprinkle it at the end when the curry and the fish is done. Now I'm going to cook it for 5 to 6 minutes, and this is what it's going to look like after 5 to 6 minutes. And now I'm going to give it a little mix, and then I'm going to add the yogurt, 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Now at this point I'm doing an optional step. I'm adding a few drops of soy sauce. This is up to you. If you want to add it you can, and if you don't you can omit. This is totally an optional step. As it is cooking, now I'm going to cover it and let it cook for like 5 to 7 minutes. and this is after 5 to 7 minutes. You can see all the oil has come out. Now I'm going to add the marinated fish and then again cover it and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. Do not open while the fish is cooking. Cook the fish on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to cover it and let it cook on low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes, and this is after 10 to 15 minutes. The fish is done and I'm going to show you, see how easily it will break. See, it is breaking really easily, so that means our fish is done. And now I'm just going to give it a little mix and then sprinkle the garam masala on it, and our fish is ready to serve.